Hello, here is a General Electric air conditioner. Here's the information. 5,050 BTUs, 4.1 amps, 115 volts, 498 to 290. And it was made in February of 2019. And uses R410A, which I think is using a Klingon compressor, as most of these new GEs do. I don't know, it's not my unit. Filter. These aren't too bad units. I am unsure if this thing really works or not. The thermostat never moves. There's low fan, high fan, low cool, high cool, which I don't really like. I kind of wish it was low fan, low cool, high fan, high cool. Seems like it would make more sense to me. So, let's start off on low fan. You can hear it's not that loud. I'm just gonna shut that off because we'll go to high fan. Not a huge difference. And we'll get the compressor stir up. I don't know if the pressure's gone down yet. It was running a moment ago. Sure, it might be alright to turn back on. It's actually not as much recirculation as I thought it would have, because it doesn't aim upwards. It's okay. It doesn't get too cold, but it'll cool room. It'll at least bring it down. It'll at least bring it down a good 5-10 degrees, which, in all honesty, it's good enough for me, but it's not my unit, so I really don't care that much. See the fan on the top there? Yeah, it's still not too loud. Like, the compressor is not that loud at all. So that will conclude this video. Let me see what the model number is. It is AHV05LYW1. I don't know if anybody takes particular interest in this unit, but there it is. I can feel the air like down here. Not sure why, but at least it throws the air a good distance. And like I said, it's not that loud either. there's the plug. Regular GFCI plug or GFI, whichever one. I think the GFCIs are mainly for plugs. And I think these are the GFIs. I don't know. I'm tired today. So that'll be the end of the video. Thank you for watching.